Hello everyone, what we are going to share today is SDG 2, Zero Hunger. This is our outline, divided into 1 to 4 items, namely purpose, problem, solution, and reference. The following is the purpose of SDG 2. This goal focuses on ensuring that everyone, especially the poor and vulnerable, has access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food all year round. By achieving SDG 2, we can end global hunger and malnutrition, improve health and children development, support fair and sustainable farming.
1. Food access. Current situation. Urban areas have better access to fresh, nutritious food, while rural and low-income communities often rely on cheap, unhealthy options due to limited availability and higher cost. Impact. Food waste leads to wasted resources, increased greenhouse gas emissions, and worsens climate change. At the same time, many people remain hungry, showing inequality in food distribution. Case studies. Look at this picture. Africa faces the highest hunger rates, with many countries over 25%, some over 40%. Developed countries have low hunger rates, but hidden hunger still affects low-income urban groups.
Problem 2. The problem and agricultural sustainability. Current situation. Soil degradation, excessive tillage, and the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides lead to soil nutrient loss, acidification or salinization, and reduced land productivity. Water resource depletion and pollution. Large-scale irrigation has led to groundwater depletion, and the influx of pesticides and fertilizers into water bodies has also caused water pollution and eutrophication. The second is the instability of farmers' income. Market price fluctuations and high climate risks lead to unstable income and livelihood difficulties for farmers. This then led to fewer and fewer farmers investing in the industry, causing food prices to rise. Impact. Social inequality has increased. Small farmers find it difficult to compete. Agricultural profits are concentrated in large companies, and the gap between the rich and the poor has widened. Another one is climate change. Extreme weather such as drought and heavy rain affects harvest stability and makes pests and diseases more unpredictable. So if there is not enough concept of sustainable agriculture, it is going to affect agriculture itself. Case studies. Because there is no concept of sustainable agriculture, farmers extract groundwater without restriction, causing the ground to sink in Zhanghua, Yunlin, Jiayi, and Pingdong areas.
Improving rural infrastructure is one of the key ways to reduce the food gap between urban and rural areas. This includes investing in better transportation systems, such as roads, bridges, and logistics networks. Nutrition education is an important way to improve eating habits for both urban and rural residents, especially for low incomes and vulnerable groups. Through schools, communities, and media tools, children and families can learn more about nutrition and make healthier food choices. Social support programs help vulnerable groups access healthy food and reduce food insecurity. For example, food vouchers or cash aid can support low-income families.
Environmental solution promotes organic farming or natural agriculture practice to reduce the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. This helps restore soil health, protect water sources, and preserve local ecosystems. Economic solution develop local agriculture brands and direct-to-consumer sales channels by allowing farmers to sell directly to consumers. We can increase their profits and reduce exploitation by middlemen. Social solution, agriculture education, and technical guidance, providing farmers with knowledge on sustainable agriculture, such as soil management and organic farming technique.
Above are our reference, and thanks for watching and listening.